Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to put two tables side by side in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To put two tables side by side in Google Docs, go to your Google Docs and I will show you how to put these two tables side by side. Click on Insert tab and go to Table. Create a table with two columns and one row. Now click in the first cell and then again go to Insert, go to Table, create a table as per your requirement, and again go to second cell of your first table and then go to Insert, go to Table, and again create a table. Click on the first table and click on the three dot icon for more, and here you will find the border color. Click on the border color and make it white. Again click on second cell on your first table and then here the border color is white. Now two tables are placed in side by side. Now if you want, you can change the table color or border size. Select the table and right click on the table, click on table properties and expand color, and then you can change the table border color from here and you can change the border size from here. And same way the second table, select, change the color and change the size. This is the easiest way to put two tables side by side in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.